It really has been packaged very beautifully, and when you get a packaging like this, it does make you feel really special. And the attention to detail with all the Royal Enfield products and merchandise has always been something that's been appreciated, and this packaging is no different. Just look at this. It's a black packaging in cardboard, and there you go. So I ordered Knox armours, and as you can see, I have these guards, back protector, and underneath I have the jacket. Now the Explorer V3 is a very versatile jacket, something that you can use on a day-to-day basis, and with the thermal liner as well as the rain liner, you can use it when you are going for trips, say to Leh and Ladakh as well. And this here is what this beautiful jacket looks like. Now, this video is not so much about the jacket as it is about the Make It Yours program, and I just wanted to show you how the packaging looks like and how it arrives. So this is obviously Knox and Royal Enfield co-branded packaging, and here you have the armour. And of course it's slightly heavier than the other options you have, but with the Make It Yours program, what you can do is you can choose the base jacket. Like this is the V3. You also have a lot of other options of jackets that you can choose from. Then you can choose the color, like I've chosen the black because that way it doesn't get dirty very quickly. And similarly, you can choose whether you want to include the armor or not. So if you don't want the armor, you can just exclude that. If you want the liners, you can have them, or if you don't want them, you can exclude them as well. So for example, here you have the two liners that I've ordered, and they come separately. So it gives you the flexibility to choose the color, to choose the kind of components that you want. So for example, if you're going for helmets, you can choose the base shape of the helmet, whether you want a full face or a half face. Then you can choose the color. You can also choose the graphics. Similarly, you can choose the colors for your tees. So t-shirts, helmets and jackets are available under the Make It Yours program as of now, but at a later point in time, more riding gear may be included under this program again. So this here is the rain liner, and this one is the thermal liner. And all of this has just arrived, and I cannot be happier. I have always liked the Explorer V3 jacket for its value for money proposition. I really think that it's a fantastic jacket. It fits really well, and it's very versatile, and it can be used in a lot of scenarios. It can be used on a day-to-day basis. So whether you are going on your daily commute or if you're going for a longish ride, this is a very nice jacket, and I really think that I'm going to be using this for quite a few of my reviews going forward. And if you want to know more about the Make It Yours program, why don't you just go to store.royalenfield.com, and there's a section called Make It Yours, and there you can just browse through all the features which are available, just mix and match and see what products are available and at what prices they are available, and just choose whatever you like. I really hope that this quick video rather, was of some use to you. And if you have any friends who would be interested in customizing their riding gear, do share this video with them, and I'll definitely do a detailed review of this jacket very soon, along with all the armor that has come with it. And along with this, I have some other Royal Enfield gear as well, of which I'll be talking about very soon. Until next time then, this is Amit Changani signing off. Rev hard, rev free, and ride safe.